Hi, this is Chris, and we'll talk about road base. We have two different types of road base used here. This area here has been formed with steel and recycled road base because it's going to be a sidewalk and patio area. So using a cheaper road base in the circumstances, which is what recycled base is, makes sense. If asphalt concrete or regular concrete is going over it, all that matters is that the material compacts down real well. But you can see recycled base, mixture of concrete, asphalt, that's all been ground up. All the crap that was on the road, oil, gasoline, diesel, whatever's been spilled, is ground up with that also. And you can see the level of fines or dirt in here makes that a material that does not drain very well. That's why I say under synthetic grass and pavers, do not let your contractor use recycled base. Now over here, this is going to be synthetic grass, pavers, whatever, a surface that is not concrete. So they're using class 2 permeable base, which is semi-rounded rock and sand. This material, when it rains at some point in the future, it'll rain heavy again in California, this will drain out really well. And you want the synthetic grass and the pavers to drain really well. And you can see the composition of these two materials. On the left you have fresh base, and then you have recycled base. So you can see the quality is in the fresh base, and this is why you should be using it. Yeah, and that's why it costs more.